Hello and welcome to my channel. It's me, Tina. I wanted to show you this finished diamond painting, and One Day Savings sent this to me. They asked me if I wanted to do a collaboration with them, and I said of course, because I know their products are amazing. So I wanted to show you a completely finished one, and this one, I hope you can see it. It is beautiful, beautiful. And my phone just fell with all my information that I wanted to share with you. So this one says, those we love don't go away, but I'm going to start over. Those we love don't go away. They fly beside us every day. And I love this. I love the cardinals. And you can see the detail, like the branches, the little leaves falling, and it's just, I love it. I love it. And this took me quite a while to do because I wanted to get it really nice. This is going to go in my living room. I'm going to frame it and it will go in my living room. And if you guys would like this, this one, I will link it for you. And they even have diamond paintings that are under $4. So, like, really cheap. This one wasn't $4. This one was $13, which is really, really cheap. If you go into Michael's and you were to buy a diamond painting kind of like this, you would pay a lot more. Like, a lot more. I would say more than double. But, I have a savings code for you. It is EPP05 off. So that gives you another 5% off. And I will link that code down below too. So when you check out of One Day Savings, you will get 5% off with my code. And I just can't say enough about this company. They have amazing products, and it's just so fun to do. It came with all the things, the drills and everything you needed. Like, I have tons left of every color. They send you more than enough. They send you a couple of little I think they call them boats to do you put your little drills in. And they give you the pen, they give you the little wax to use on the pen, and this is sticky. Now I'm going to use, let me see where I have it, this diamond painting sealer on it, and it is just very easy to use. I believe they also sent me this One Day Savings. So you just shake it up, and then it's got a dabber, and you just dab it on like that. I think that's what you do. Yeah, you just dab it on, and the glue comes out. There you go. It's coming out. And it just seals it in, and it just makes it shiny, and, you know, it stays sparkly and everything. So go check out One Day Savings. Don't forget to use my my coupon code, and we'll see you in the next video. Thank you. God bless. Bye. Thank you, One Day Savings.